Coming up on today's Panther Beat,
Stuco hosts a dodgeball tournament,
and OTHS gets its very own podcast. Your Panther Beat starts now. What's up, O'Fallon? I'm Roby.
and I'm T-Bills, and this is your Panther Beat for Wednesday, February 21st.
Check out the new Panther Talk podcast on either Apple Music or Spotify. Contact Brady Donahue, Jordan Suggs, or Mr. Cox if you're interested in being a guest.
Student Council is giving away 3 $500 scholarships. Visit the Student Council webpage to apply.
Any senior is eligible for this scholarship. Student Council is hosting a cookie fundraiser. Find a Student Council member during lunch or reach out to Stuco on Instagram to order the legendary Little Taste of Heaven cookies.
Are you able to read, write, listen, and speak in a foreign language?
Test your proficiency for the Illinois Seal of Biliteracy Award.
The cost is $20. Register with Mrs. McGee in room 308.
Student Council is hosting a dodgeball tournament on March 22nd at 3:30 p.m. in the South Gym.
There is no cost to play. Get your friends together and form a team.
Applications and permission slips are posted on the Stuco webpage. Forms are due March 18th.
Now over to your Panther Sports.
Hey O'Fallon, I'm Ian with your Panther Sports. Our Lady Panther bowling team finished in the state's top 5%. Our Lady Panthers finished their season with an 11th place finish. Amber Montanti finished 14th in the individual standings with an average of 206. Also contributing were Athena Martin, Joanna Edwards, Delaney Hall, Abby Lands, Erin Haney, and Jenna Horner. In today's sporting events, boys basketball travels to Edwardsville to take on the Tigers in their first round of regionals at 7:30. Good luck to all our sports teams. Now over to the birthdays, and go Panthers.
Hi, O'Fallon. I'm dealing with the birthdays. Birthdays on Monday, February 19th were Alexander Hockey, Taylor Hoskin, Kate Hahn, Dylan Jones, Kyle Lockwood, Isaiah Miller, Maddox Knowles, Alexander Steeder, and Landon Stockdill. Birthdays yesterday, February 20th, were Brandon Baker, Emerson Bray, Brody Durbin, Jakayla Edwards, Caitlin Ferguson, Kennedy Harris, Dylan Jackson, Charlie Menke, and Malachi Snowden. And a special happy birthday to Mr. Bussey. Birthdays for today, Wednesday, February 21st, are Cohen Blaylock, Dylan Bodie, Sydney Connors, Lily Cooper, Christian Hayes, and Cash Nitsky. And a special happy birthday to Miss Schulte. That's all from me. Now back to the news desk.
And now for your club news.
MLK Club is hosting auditions for annual Black Expression Showcase.
Auditions are tomorrow during lunch in the Smiley Panther Center. Your act must have an African-American cultural connection and be school appropriate. The prize is $100 for first place. The Yoga Club's next meeting is March 7th in room 1103.
Chemistry Club meets this Friday after school in room 811.
Students interested in photography can stop by room 608 after school tomorrow to join Camera Club. That's it for today, O'Fallon.
For up-to-date news, videos, and more, head over to our Panther Beat YouTube channel.